Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make pancakes. So make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe. So our ingredients for today is we have our measuring spoons, our bowl, we have baking powder here, and then our measuring cup, 1 egg, vanilla essence, milk, sugar, this is our sugar, and then flour. So let's get to the video and make the perfect pancakes. Guys, we are in road to 1k subscribers. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mary Chep. So first we are going to start by sieving 1 cup of flour. So we are going to sieve our flour first. So here is our sieved flour. So we are going to start with adding ingredients. So we are going to start with sugar. So this is our flour. We are going to start with sugar. We put 1 tablespoon of sugar, one teaspoon of vanilla, there, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. There, 1 teaspoon of baking flour. So we are going to mix our dry ingredients. Then we add 1 egg. We mix. Then lastly we add 3/4 cup of milk. There you go. So we mix the mixture together. Then we add 1 tablespoon of cooking flour. So in here we have 1 cup of flour, tablespoon of cooking oil, tablespoon of sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, teaspoon of baking powder. So we are mixing our ingredients together, and 1 egg is inside here. So this is our mixture. We are going to leave it for 5 minutes. So this is our mixture after leaving it for 5 minutes. So we are going to cook in this pan. We pour in some cooking oil. Then we are going to spread it. Then we pour a small chunk of the mixture to the pan. So we are going to leave it until some bubbles forms, and then we turn. This is this is how our pancake should turn out. The first one. this is how the this is how the pancakes have turned out. As you can see, from inside, this is how it looks when they are so yummy. The perfect pancakes recipe ever. Let's enjoy. See you on the next video. Bye.